Cleartex produced our trademark Alutrend aluminium doormats from 6-meter long aluminium profiles. Most of our doormats are custom sized, so a significant amount of aluminium scrap was generated, on average 8%. The leftovers were recycling, but recycling of these materials is energy intensive, so it was an extra burden on the environment. Therefore, we have set a goal for the maximum reusing of the waste on site. That's how the concept of the new modular system was born, which is made completely from the leftover aluminium profiles. The AlutTileMat modular system is made from modules of different sizes, which can be combined with each other. In the modules, wide range of textiles inserts can be integrated, and it gives an endless number of variations. This novelty of Cleartex combines creative design and reduction of ecological footprint. With this solution, we reduce industrial waste less than 2%. It means 2 centimeters instead of 50 from 6 meters. This will save in our factory several tons of aluminium per year, which will prevent corrosive red mud production in the same amount. Discover our solutions!